Yeah, I'm looking and reaching, I'm hoping I achieve it. Now I'm chasing these feelings, cause I know they're always leaving. Now I'm running.
So hello guys, welcome back to another video of TechHood. So in the previous video we had a discussion, or we had an introduction about TinkerCAD platform, right? So हमने ये देखा था कि TinkerCAD as a software, what is it, उसका functioning क्या है, how do we log in on the platform, and we had an introduction, a brief introduction about how we will be making circuits, right? So आज वहीं से we will continue our journey. So yeah, this is the home page, if you remember it, right? So we will go on the circuits option, right, on the left side, and over here we'll go to our create new circuit. So as we did in the previous video, and now we are going to our work plane. So it might take time according to your network. So first of all, let's change the topic name. So it will be, I will just mention it as lesson 2, right? So यार हमने ये lesson 2 mention कर दिया. So हाँ, आज हम बनाएंगे क्या, right? What we'll be creating. So for today we'll be creating a simple circuit that will be blinking an LED through Arduino UNO. Okay, so I hope you guys know about Arduino, that it's a microcontroller. But if some of you people don't know about it, so you can just comment down in the comment section. आप comment कर सकते हैं, and we will come up a simple video on Arduino, and like what is it, how it works, and उसका पूरा अच्छा खासा हम study करेंगे. But for those guys who know it, we will be making a simple circuit blinking an LED. I hope it's just a basic, but then for our future circuitry we will be needing these basic knowledge, so that अगर basic strong होगा ना, so हम advance को आराम से समझ लेंगे. So फट से बनाते यार एकदम fast तरीके से इस circuit को. So I hope you all are excited too. So on our search bar where we had our component box, right, यहाँ पे सारे components थे. So in the search bar we'll just write Arduino, and it will automatically search this, right? So let's say we go with Arduino, and over here you can see this is the Arduino UNO, the pre embedded over here. So we'll just drag it on our work plane. So हमने just ये drag करना है यार यहाँ से, and see we have our Arduino over here. So it's a microcontroller having an IC Atmega, and yeah, these are the digital pins you can see over here, and the analog pins, and different other pins are there. So other components that we need with it is an LED. Okay, so we'll take this red LED over here. Okay, and let's say कि problem आपसे पूछता हूँ कि like what is the minimum requirement for this LED to glow, what is the minimum voltage of this LED. So that is 2 volt, right? But जो the voltage that is given out by the Arduino, it's around 5 volt. So it is harmful for our LED. So we will use a resistor for it, right, to have that optimum voltage around this LED, so that it doesn't blows up. So let's say I will just write a resistor over here, right, and see I have got a resistor. Okay, so we'll add this resistor over here, and over here you can see, if I just focus a little bit, so over here you can see these digital pins. So basically why we use this digital pin for an LED is because LED takes a digital input output, right, and not an analog. So if you guys are having doubt about Arduino, just comment any doubt regarding Arduino, and we will clear out in the comment section, and we will be coming up with a course on Arduino which will be free of cost on YouTube. So आप उसे भी you can see in the future reference. But for today you just understand that our LED takes a digital input output, right? So we use these digital pins. So what we will do is we'll just connect our digital 13 pin, or you can take any of the pins. I'm just for for example I'm just taking this 13 pin, and we'll connect. So first, one more question I have for you before that is that why we put a resistor. Is it necessary to put a resistor before this LED, or we can make this vice versa, we will put a resistor after LED? So is there any difference between these two cases? So do comment out in this the answer of this question in the comment section, and I want to know how many people know about this fact. So is there any trouble putting the resistor behind the LED in a circuit or before an LED or any other component that we are using to safeguard our device from excessive voltage? Okay, so we'll connect the 13 pin with this terminal of the LED and this terminal with the anode of the LED, and then to ground the circuit we'll take a wire from cathode and we'll join this with the ground pin. Okay, so over here you can see we have completed our circuit. So it's a a basic circuit. Everyone would have would be kind of having an idea about this circuit. So like if we remove this and apply a a simple cell also that you get around your market, so this circuit can work over there also. So अब हमने यार ये देख लिया कि ये circuit is complete, and also one more thing, as a electronics engineer, to have our circuits much more convenient, we'll make these wires colored, so that हम अगर ये स्टार्टिंग से प्रेजेंटेशन का आइडिया रखेंगे अपने माइंड में, सो हमें फ्यूचर में कभी ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं करनी पड़ेगी जब हम कॉम्प्लेक्स सर्किट्स बनाएंगे. ऑल राइट, सो फॉर आवर पॉजिटिव वायर, राइट, विल बी मेकिंग इट रेड, and yeah, circuits is complete. Now for those who don't know about Arduino microcontroller, so basically to run our circuit we also need to program this microcontroller. Okay, so over here हमने last video में देखा था that a code is over here, right, code option. So we'll go to this code and you can see there is a block option. So there is also a block option over here, but we'll go with the code, right? ओके, सो ब्लॉक ऑप्शन एक बेसिकली फ्लो चार्ट टाइप ही मेथड होता है, बट इन टेक्स्ट वी कोड इन एम्बेडेड सी लैंग्वेज, दैट इज़ C++ कोडिंग ओनली. सो ओवर हेयर यू कैन सी देयर इज़ अ प्री रिटन कोड. सो ये जब भी हम दिस वी ऐड दिस आर्डिनो, सो ये पहले से ये कोड बाय टिंकरकैड ये दिया होता है, राइट? सो नाउ ओवर हेयर यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज अ void setup, void loop. सो बेसिकली मैं आपको ये बेसिक स्टार्टिंग से समझाता हूँ, राइट, फॉर दोज हु डोंट नो अबाउट कोडिंग और C++ कोड. सो बेसिकली ये जो दो आप बैकस्लैश देख रहे हैं, दैट इज़ फॉर कमेंटिंग योर लाइक C++ कोड लिखा है, राइट? सो दिस इज़ अ कमेंट, राइट? ये एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होता है इन आर कोड, इट्स जस्ट दैट इट इज़ फॉर आर कन्वीनियंस कि हो क्या रहा है, राइट? दिस इज़ लाइक अ टॉपिक ऑफ द कोड, लाइक C++ कोड, इट्स अ C++ कोड. ओके, एंड ओवर हियर यू कैन सी, सो वी विल कम बैक टू दैट पॉइंट. सो देर इज़ void setup written over here. सो ये जो भी आप साइंस देख रहे हैं, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ ग्रामर, राइट? इंग्लिश में ग्रामर होती है, वी ऐड कॉमा, फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी दे ऑल हैव देयर ओन मीनिंग्स, राइट? सो इन डिफरेंट ट्रैक्स जो हमारा दूसरा ट्रैक है ऑफ C++, सो आप वहाँ से you will get to know more about C++. So stay tuned with our channel. We have a lot of content coming up in coming months. So किसी को भी डाउट हो regarding that, but for today we'll be focusing on like what is void setup, what is void loop. So in void setup it is, मैं एक एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. लेट्स से देयर इज़ अ क्लास, राइट? यू ऑल आर स्टूडेंट्स एंड आई एम अ टीचर, राइट? सो मैंने कहा कि राहुल, bring me a glass of water, right? I said to one student, one among you. So I have selected a student, right? So over here in void setup we select a pin, right? It may be digital or analog pin. So over here we have code, right? So we select a pin. So over here you can see in our circuit we have selected pin number 13, right? This one, we selected it. So what we will do is we will remove this LED bulletin and write 13. Okay, so pin mode 13 will be our output, right? Output, when we will be getting an output from here, a output signal. And then we will be closing the parenthesis and we will be, you know, having a setup. So a setup is there, right? Now what happens in word loop is you know, we define the function of the selected pin, that what it will do, right? What will be happening in the loop, and we will be giving a set of instructions, right? A function, and then it will when it ends, it will get repeated again. So it will go in a loop, right? A cyclic loop. So in first statement you can see a digital write, LED bulletin, and this high. So this digital pin take you know, values in high or low, like binary values, right? Like let's say there is true or false, a statement is true or a false. So similarly there is high. High is for, you know, glowing the LED, and low is for, you know, कि हमारी LED बुझ जाए, right? It switches off. So in digital write, from pin 13 we will be giving our current. So we'll just write over here 13 high, and then we will give a delay. So a delay is there to you. So we are making a blinking LED, right? So it will blink for 1 second and then shut off for 1 second. So over here we have given a value of 1000. So 1000 is milliseconds, right? So 1000 milliseconds make 1 second, right? So we have written 1000, and then digital write LED pin will make it 13 again. Okay, and it is low, so it will now switch off our LED. Okay, and then after that again a 1 second pause will be there, delay will be there, and we will close the parenthesis, and that is the code, right? A basic code. And we have given our comment like wait for 1000 milliseconds, right? Wait for 1000 milliseconds, and then, you know, after executing the last statement we will go back to our 10th line, that is this digital write 39. So this, you know, whole function will get repeated itself and will be having a loop. So yeah, that's about the code. And now we'll go to our simulation. So we will simulate our this circuitry, right? So remember one thing, when we'll go to start simulation, you will see this USB port going into this socket. So this is, you know, that is how we get power for our Arduino, right? There is no battery connected in it, as you can see, right? So we don't need a battery. Through our USB cable that is connected to our laptop or PC, we can have the power of this circuit, right? So we'll go to start simulation, and now it's initial, and now you can see it is glowing on for 1 second and then shutting off. And over here also you can see we have a light over here, so that this shows, and also an on green light, so this shows that our Arduino is working fine. So this is a basic circuit, you know, blinking LED circuit with Arduino that we have made today. I hope you had no, you know, major doubts in this circuit, and you have understood this circuit very well along with the code. And in upcoming videos we'll be, you know, having a different modifications in this circuit. We'll be adding a breadboard and what is the use of breadboard, and like other, you know, numerous things can happen over here, right? It's electronics. Okay, and also we'll be covering that why, you know, resistors is you know, is it necessary to put the resistance before the you know, component, or is it fine to add it behind the component, right? So I hope you have understood a lot. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Till then, peace out.
See you again.